Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 4 of chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Today, the topic is Test for Divisibility of Numbers. Here, we can learn some tricks to tell if a number is divisible by a given number or not. Number 1, divisibility by 2. So, if a number is divisible by 2 or not, how we can say it? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the last digit of a number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Example, 1282, 1400, 246 are divisible or not. So, we shall check the last digits. 1282, the last digit is 2. So, it is divisible by 2. The number 1400 has 0 as the last digit. So, it is divisible by 2. You check the last digit of 246, that is 6. So, it is also divisible by 2. So, your classwork is check if the numbers are divisible by 2 or not. I have given two numbers, 2, 8, 7, 6, 8 and number 2, 5, 4, 7, 9. You check if the numbers are divisible by 2 or not. You don't have to divide it manually. By checking the last digit only, you should be able to tell if the number is divisible by 2 or not. Number 2, divisibility by 3. Now, how to check if a number is divisible by 3 or not? You don't have to divide by 3. Just remember, you do not have to divide the number by 3. Just by checking with tricks, you should be able to tell the number is divisible or not. You don't have to divide the number manually. Remember that. I am telling again and again. You do not divide the number, but you have to check it with some tricks. Exercise, check if 3906 is divisible by 3 or not. How to find or how to say that it is divisible or not? What we have to do? 3906, we have to add the digits. That is, sum of the digits are 3 plus 9 plus 0 plus 6. 3906 is a number and the digits are 3906. You have to add the digits 3 plus 9 plus 0 plus 6, which is equal to 18. Now you check 18 is divisible by 3 or not. In the right side, I have done some rough work. I have divided 18 by 3 and it is 6 and remainder is 0. Therefore, 3906 is divisible by 3. If there is no remainder, then the given number is divisible by 3. So, what you have to do? Again I am telling you, you just add the digits of the number and whatever result you get, you divide it by 3. If there is no remainder, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So homework, I have given to you. Check if 390219 is divisible by 3 or not. You don't do it manually, don't divide manually. You just add the digits of the number, then you divide the result by 3. If it is exactly divisible, then the whole number, that is 390219, is divisible by 3. Number 3, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4 and last two digits are zeros. So, to say or to tell if a given number is divisible by 4 or not, what we have to check? We shall check the last two digits. If the last two digits are zeros, then it is divisible by 4. If the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Here I have taken three numbers: 1800, 2076 and 764. 1800, the last two digits are zeros, so directly we can tell, oh, it is divisible by 4. But 2076, the last two digits 7 and 6, so it is 76. I shall check if 76 is divisible by 4. I have done some rough work in the right hand side. You can check. 76 is divisible by 4, so 2076 is also divisible by 4. 764, the last two digits are 6 and 4, so the number formed by 6 and 4 is 64. I shall check 64 is divisible by 4 or not. I have done the calculation. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So 764 is also divisible by 4. So homework, check if the given numbers are divisible by 4 or not. What you have to do? You check the last two digit. Number 1, 23022. Number 2, 54044. You check the last two digit and divide the last two digits by 4. Divide the number formed by last two digit by 4. If there is no remainder, then the number is divisible by 4. If there is remainder, then it is not divisible by 4. Number 4, divisibility by 5. It is very easy. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is either 0 or 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Example I have taken 1505 and 2300. The last digit of 1505 is 5. So it is divisible by 5. The last digit of 2300 is 0. So it is divisible by 5. Number 5, divisibility by 6. To check the divisibility of 6, we have to test two times. First test is to check if the number is divisible by 2 or not. The second test is if the number is divisible by 3 or not. So, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. We can tell that a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, both the numbers. Exercise, check if 43542 is divisible by 6. So for this solution, what I shall do, I shall perform test number 1, that is check if the number is divisible by 2 or not. How to do that? We shall check the last digit of the number. If the last digit of the number is either 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. In the given number 43542, the last digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. Now, test number 2, we shall check if 43542 is divisible by 3 or not. How can we do that? We have to add all the digits, that is 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2, and the sum of the digits we have to divide it by 3. If we add 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, we get 18. Now I have divided 18 by 3. It is 6 and there is no remainder. So the test 1 and test 2 are successful. So 43542 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 also. So it is divisible by 6. We have to check twice the divisibility of 2 and the divisibility of 3. If both are successful, then only the number given to you is divisible by 6. I have given you homework. Check if 6121836 is divisible by 6 or not. You just follow the procedure I have done and you can do it. Just follow the procedure. If you have any doubt, message me to WhatsApp number.